Close your eyes. It's 25th of the month. You open your bank app. You work 160 hours this month and your bank balance says 47 euro. That makes feeling tight in your chest? That's not bad luck. That's a new reality for trying to live in the richest cities in the Europe. Everyone said move to London, move to Amsterdam, earn 3000 euros and life sorted. But 3000 euros in these cities, it's not comfort anymore. In one of these cities, 3000 euros is survival and the other cities, it's like poverty. Today, we run the financial stress test. Transport, food, rent, tax. By the end of this video, you'll know which city slowly drains you and which city at least lets you breathe. When people think of London and Amsterdam, they imagine vibrant cities, good salaries, good jobs, and European dreams. And yes, the National Statistics UK office says the median gross annual earnings for the full-time employer in London is around £48,000 and similar in Amsterdam. The Dutch CBS report shows the monthly average gross salary in Netherlands is around 3800 euros. Sound great, yes? But nobody knows we live 21st century where if we don't know money system, here's what 1500 euro or pound rent give you in London versus Amsterdam. In London, zone 2, 1500 pound disappear instantly. You can get teeny room with shared kitchen and shared bathroom. So where's the privacy? Forget it. According to Spare Room UK data, the average rent of a single room in London is around 150 pounds. Now in Amsterdam, 1500 euros is still painful, but sometimes you can get a small studio apartment. Your own door, your own bathroom. The Paris rental report shows the average studio apartment rent in Netherlands is around 1700 euros. London does not just rent your room, it rents your peace of mind. But rent is just a beginning. Londoners love Tube until they paid for it. The travel card for central zones can cost you 156 pounds from zone 1 or 2. Now in Amsterdam, the city of bikers, as per the Dutch mobility data, the 27% of trips in Netherlands are by bike. A used bike can cost 100 to 200 euros a once. So guys, one city charge you monthly and the other one charge you once. And wait, groceries add another twist. Keep watching for the shock. Let's test a breakfast. Eggs, bread, milk, coffee. In London supermarkets, a food inflation has pushed the prices up heavily since 2022. As per the data of UK Office National Statistics, the food and non-alcoholic beverages prices are rise by 4.5% in just 12 months to December 2025. Now look at Amsterdam. As per the Eurostat data, the Netherlands shows a strong food inflation. The groceries are not cheap there. So guys, in Netherlands you can save on rent but lose in supermarkets, and in London you can save on food but lose in rents. Every system takes from you, but just everyone has its own style. And wait, taxes add the final punch. Keep watching for the trap. Stop looking at your salary. It's a fantasy number. In UK, workers can pay income tax plus national insurance. As per the official UK government tax rate report, basic rates is 20% on 15 to 50,000 pound salary. And in Netherlands, the income tax can go nearly 37%. As per the Dutch tax authority, the tax rate in box 1 is 37.7% on earnings up to 75,000 euros. But here's a special twist. Some expects quality for the 30% ruling, allowing part of salary tax-free. With it, heavy tax, and without it, a breathing room. The Dutch system charge tax on income and the British system charge tax on rents. I'll surprise you. Keep watching for the winner city. Now look at the scoreboard. A 3000 earner in London. High rent, high transport, low food. Maybe you can end the month with 200 pound savings, but one emergency and you are in debt. And 3000 earner in Amsterdam. High rent, high food, and low transportation. Maybe at the end of the month you save 400 euros. Still tight, but survivable. So where are you actually poor? London makes you feel rich, then traps you. And Amsterdam, it makes you feel squeezed, but give you a structure. So 3000 euros is not wealth in Europe anymore. It's a survival test. If this video helped to understand the game, subscribe. And if you want to see the Ireland's reality, watch this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.